Have you seen these anime cooking videos? These are just blowing up. But I am not going to teach you how to make these videos, because this anime space has been oversaturated. Instead, I have a unique idea of a brand new niche that I am going to share in this video. If you are someone who wants to earn good income with the least amount of effort, you are at the right place. Now let's get straight to the idea. Take the basic idea of the anime cooking channel and combine it with a realistic, AI-generated cinematic video with real recipes. Like, you must have seen the videos of these animal cooking videos. So, some aesthetics like these. And before you start thinking that you need some sort of skills to create this style of video, let me stop you right there. These videos are easy to make. The best part is that you can create these videos using almost completely free AI tools. So if you're looking for a niche that is trending and monetizable, then this is the niche for you. And to make things even simpler, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating these videos using AI. I'm going to cover everything from setting up the channel to editing the video, and even creating the thumbnails for this style of content. All I ask is that if you find this video helpful, hit these awesome buttons, maybe drop a comment too. It doesn't cost you much, but it helps the algorithm recommend the video to more people. The first thing we're going to do is to create our channel. If you already know how to create a YouTube channel, skip to the next part, although I'm sharing some SEO tips, so it might be good to watch though. Head over to YouTube and click on your profile, then switch account and view all channels. Next, press on Create New Channel, and you'll be able to choose a name for your channel. Head over to ChatGPT and type in this exact prompt. We basically ask it to give us some name suggestions for a YouTube channel in the cooking niche, so just generate it and pick a name you like, then copy it and paste it into YouTube. Next, you want to go to your channel settings and add a description. Do this by telling ChatGPT the name you chose and ask it to write a well-organized channel description and ask it to include some emojis to make it more readable. You can even write it yourself if you like. Next up is the profile picture. So this will be what brands your channel. Take a moment to consider this. There are countless AI image generators available, and you can choose whichever one you prefer since they all function similarly. Knowing you all love free options, I'll guide you through doing everything with Leonardo.ai, which is completely free. It even has an incredible feature we'll dive into later in the video that can truly set you apart from the competition. The best part? You can use this amazing feature too, without spending a single cent, but more on that in a bit. Take inspiration from some cooking channels and how they look. You want to ask ChatGPT to create a logo design idea for an AI cooking channel. You can just pause right here and write a similar prompt yourself. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, so generate it and choose the one you like best. Tell ChatGPT which one you want to go with, and ask it to turn it into a text prompt that can be used in Leonardo.ai. Copy the image prompt and head over to Leonardo.ai, then paste the prompt and hit generate a couple of times until you get one you like. Download the image you like most, and then just upload it to the YouTube Studio page. The final step before your YouTube channel is fully set up is adding channel tags. These tags help the YouTube algorithm figure out the audience you're aiming to reach. For instance, we're creating a channel in the cooking niche. Since there aren't any uploads yet, YouTube will have a hard time identifying which viewers to target with the algorithm. So when you're in the YouTube Studio, press Settings in the bottom left, then Channel here you'll see this box where you can enter tags that describe the entire channel. What you can then do is use YouTube tools like vidIQ to find the keywords that have the highest search volume and low competition. Here's how you do it. Go over to this vidIQ website. You can start for free by signing up here on the homepage. Then when you've logged in, press this keyword button that'll take you to this page. Since we're in the cooking niche, I'll add the main keyword cooking recipes in the search box. You'll see the score of the keyword as it's a good score. I will copy this keyword and give this prompt to ChatGPT, then copy these keywords and put them back on YouTube. Just a quick tip, avoid using keywords that have nothing to do with your channel. Not only is that unhelpful, but it could also hurt your SEO. While you're at it, make sure to specify the category your niche falls under. This style of video falls under people and blogs, so choose that. The last step before you start working on the videos is to create a banner for your channel. No need for something complex, something simple, like the name of the channel on a black background should do so. Just head over to Canva and create a new YouTube banner. Now select the black color from here. Then use the text tool to write the name of your channel at the center. All that's left is to download the banner and your channel branding is complete. Now it's time to create the content. The first thing you need to do is to choose a recipe. For this video, I am choosing a simple recipe for an omelet. Go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Now you can replace the number of prompts and the steps according to your recipe. Rest will be the same. ChatGPT will generate the prompts. Copy first one and go to Leonardo.ai. Paste in the prompt, make sure the aspect ratio is 16:9. Now download the image you like, for example this, and repeat the same process until all images are generated. If you run out of the free available token, you can switch to another account, or you can generate the remaining images the next day. Now, time to add motion to these images and make it into a video. Go to this website, its link is in the description below, and click on Image to Video. Now upload the first image with a prompt in this box. The prompt should be what you want to do in this clip. For example, I want to show a person cracking the egg into the bowl. Click on this button and be patient. It will take some time. Now, This is how it looks. Pretty cool, right? Rest we will do in the video editing process. And if you don't like it, you can regenerate it with a little prompt tweak. But this is fine for the demo. Click on the download. Now similarly, convert all the images to the video one by one. Now that you have all the video clips, let's go to CapCut for the final editing, which is the most easy part, because for these kinds of videos, you don't even need a voiceover. But if you want to, sure, go ahead and do that with 11 Labs. I have an entire tutorial on how to do that for free. If you want that, pause this video right here and click on the link in the description and come back after generating the entire voiceover. Okay, import all the clips in CapCut and drag them in sequence one by one according to the steps of the recipe. Time to add some transition. To make the cuts between the clips look smooth, click on the transition button and select the transition you like. I would suggest using Mix, as it looks very natural. Now in a few seconds, I'm going to share a major tip, but first there is something missing. That's right, music. Go to Pixabay to add royalty-free music to the video. Click on Music and search for the kind of music you want. For cooking videos, I want a happy and soothing sound. From here, listen to a few and click on Download. Import this music and cover the entire video clip with the music. Now here is a tip. If you are using a voiceover, then reduce the sound of the music by pulling this bar down so that the music is just a little in the background. Once that's done, it's time to boost retention by adding titles. By titles, I mean recipe ingredients. Adding text makes viewers more likely to stick around. Many people watch videos on social media with low or no sound, so this ensures they can still follow along. Try it yourself. Create one video without titles and another with titles throughout. I can guarantee the video with titles will have a higher average view duration. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference. Final step is exporting. Click on the blue button in the upper right and set the frame rate to 60 and resolution to 1080. This will give it the best quality. And lastly, hit export, and that's the entire video creation process. Now the only thing left is a catchy thumbnail for your video. As we want to do everything for free, go to the Remove BG website and upload any picture that you already have. Click on Download. Now go to Canva, and trust me, you can build amazing thumbnails for free with Canva. Click on YouTube Thumbnail. Then click on the canvas and this color icon. Under the document colors, click here and select Gradient. Select the circular gradient as it's the most trending thumbnail style. I will keep the blue to make it pop, but you can change and play around. Now add the text, that will be the name of the recipe, and select the font Poppins Bold. Change the color and adjust it to something like this. Now upload the image with no background and adjust it on screen on the top layer to make it look like it's on the top. You can edit the image a little to match the background, but that's pretty much it. And now upload your video and make at least 100 of these.